Let's look at the top 5 most profitable business ideas. Number 5, enrichment activities for children. Ready to make some serious cash? Then you might want to consider starting a business that caters to kids. After all, they're the future. And what better way to invest in the future than by enriching the lives of children? Here are just a few ideas to get you started. A gymnastics center, music school, swimming instructor, or kids yoga teacher. But don't feel limited by my suggestions. The sky's the limit when it comes to catering to children. Number 4, auto repair. An auto repair business is a business that provides services to fix or maintain vehicles. There are many different types of auto repair businesses, from small shops that specialize in one type of repair to large service centers that offer a wide range of repairs. Once you have your location selected, the next step is to purchase the necessary equipment and supplies. Finally, once you have everything in place, the last step is to promote your business. You can promote your business by advertising in local newspapers and magazines, by handing out flyers in local businesses, and by word of mouth. Number 3, personal trainers. Being a personal trainer is a great way to make a profit while helping others improve their health and wellness. To start a personal training business, you will need to have some experience as a personal trainer yourself. You will also need to obtain liability insurance and get certified in CPR and first aid. Once you have these things in place, you can start marketing your services to potential clients. You can use online platforms like social media and your website to reach out to people in your area who might be interested in working with you as a personal trainer. Or you can use more traditional methods like flyers and word of mouth to spread the word about your new business. Number 2, car wash services. Everyone knows what a car wash is. It's a place where you go to get your car cleaned, usually by spraying it with soapy water and then rinsing it off. But have you ever thought about starting your own car wash business? It's actually not as difficult as you might think. The first step is to find a suitable location. You'll need a space that has good exposure to the road and plenty of parking for customers. Then you'll need to set up the equipment. This can be as simple as a hose and a few buckets, or you could invest in an automated car wash system. Once everything is in place, all you need to do is start marketing your new business and wait for the customers to roll in. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, food trucks. The food truck business is a mobile food service, and the most popular food trucks are those that serve ethnic foods, such as Mexican or Thai. But there are also trucks that specialize in American comfort foods, such as burgers and fries. To start a food truck business, you will need a vehicle, preferably a van or truck, a kitchen setup, and a license to operate. You will also need to create a menu and price your dishes competitively. Marketing is also important, as you will need to let potential customers know where your truck will be each day. With some hard work and dedication, you can turn your food truck into a profitable business. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.